Hi guys, still on holiday. Saturday the 5th of May 2023. It's raining hard out there. Sea's pretty rough. So I'm going to do another wooden kit. This one's a Land Rover Woodcraft construction kit by Quay Imports. Their reference number P323, and I think if you scan that code in, it would actually take you to details about this one. I'm going to film it using my old Canon PowerShot SX68S. Is that right? Yeah. Because I will. And I have to remember that only films for about 25 minutes at one stretch. I did one just now and forgot that, and it had finished filming while I was still working. So we'll try and remember this time. Right, off we go. We will need some glue for this to glue the wheels together. So, is that focus wandering? Let's just check. Okay, let's get going. Where's number one? Oh, put the wheels together first. Glue. So which one? 1, 3. One, 3, 1, 3, 2. Well, that's not logical. Why 1, 3, 2? Where is number 2? There's number 2. Let's just have a look, see if I got a picture of Yeah, they do have the smaller rings on the outside. Right, well, I'm going to run out of glue, aren't I? One, 3, 2, 4. Oh, this isn't going to work. Okay, I'm going to change glue. Oh, and that's glued in the time that I've walked out. Oh. Anyway, we're going to change glue. We're going to use this glue instead. There. Right. Job done on that camera. I'll do a summary with the other camera. That must have taken me about an hour, I should think. Also flattened the battery on the camera, which made me panic at the end. I was going to recharge the battery and then realised I'd only got 5 pieces left. So I did them anyway. I do rather like Land Rovers. Lots of people have got a soft spot for Land Rovers. So that's it. It's probably smaller than you'd have expected from the size of the pack it came in. But that's it. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.